Hello everyone, I am Shivam Verma working as Assistant Professor in RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus Visada Karnal. Today in this video lecture I am going to talk about GMP practices, that is good manufacturing practices for the requirements of premises, plants and equipments of semi-solid pharmaceutical products, mainly which are categorized under Schedule M. Schedule M is a schedule which comes under Drug and Cosmetic Rules and Act 1945. So there are specific requirements for manufacturing of topical products, that is external preparations like cream, ointments, pastes, emulsion, lotions, solutions, dusting powders and identical products. So the entrance to the area where topical products are manufactured shall be through a suitable airlock. Outside the airlock, insectors shall be installed. The air to this manufacturing area shall be filtered through at least 20 air filters and shall be air conditioned. The area shall be ventilated. The area shall be fitted with an exhaust system of suitable capacity of effectively remove vapors, fumes, smoke, floating dust particles. The next is the equipment used shall be designed and maintained to prevent the products from being accidentally contaminated with any foreign matter or lubricants. Next is no rags or dusters shall be used in the process of cleaning or drying the process equipment or accessories used. Water used in compounding shall be purified water. Next is powders whenever used shall be suitably sieved before use. Next is heating vehicles and a base like petroleum jelly shall be done in separate mixing area in suitable stainless steel vessels using steam, gas, electricity or solar energy, etc. Next is a separate packaging section may be provided for primary packaging of the products. The next topic is evaluation tests for ointments. So there are different evaluation tests for ointments. First is rate of absorption, non-irritancy, rate of penetration, rate of drug release, rheological properties, content uniformity and preservative efficacy. So the test of rate of absorption. The diametric ointment should be evaluated for the rate of absorption of drug into the bloodstream. This test can be done in vivo only. The ointment should be applied over a defined area of the skin by rubbing. Next is at regular intervals of time, serum and urine samples should be analyzed for the quantity of drug absorbed. The rate of absorption, that is the amount of drug absorbed per unit time, should be more. Next test is test of non-irritancy. The bases used in the formulation of ointments may cause irritation or allergic reactions. Non-irritancy of the penetration is evaluated by patch test. In this test, 24 humans volunteers are selected. Daily the type of pharmacological action observed is noted. No visible reaction or erythema or intense erythema with edema and vascular erosions should occur. The last is a good ointment base show no visible reactions. The last test is test of rate of penetration. The difference between the initial and final weights of the penetration gives the amount of preparation penetration through the skin, and this when divided by the area and time period of application gives the rate of penetration of the preparation. The test should be repeated twice or thrice. The rate of penetration of a semi-solid dosage form is crucial in the onset and duration of action of the drug. Weighted quantity of the presentation should be applied. Quantity of the preparation should be applied over selected area of the skin for a definite period of time. Then the preparation leftover is collected and weighted. Thank you.